Hey guys, let's make this amazing black beans and rice recipe. Hey everyone, it's Marlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com. So in today's recipe, we'll be making this delicious and amazing, but also comforting Haitian style black beans and rice recipe. I'm using the Instant Pot to speed up the cooking process for the beans because it can take quite a few hours for the beans to cook. Go ahead and add your beans to the Instant Pot. Be sure to wash your beans first. On the Instant Pot, go ahead and select the beans and chili option and adjust your timer to 25 minutes. Carefully quick release. Next, strain the beans and set the beans aside. Do not throw away the liquid as you will be using the liquid to prepare the rice. Next, go ahead and take 2.5 cups of Jasmine rice or any long grain rice. Be sure to wash it at least 3 times until the water comes out clear. To make our rice even more delicious and add depth of flavor, we also will be adding in green onions as well as garlic. Guys, the full recipe is on the website at savorythoughts.com, and we're also showing you step-by-step photo guide on how to make it with ease. Go ahead and smash your garlic and green onions in a mortar and pestle. If you don't have a mortar and pestle, that's fine. You can use a small food processor. Basically, what you want to do is intensify the flavors and also release the natural juices of the vegetables. Once you're done, go ahead and set it aside. Next, take a tablespoon of our Jasmine seasoning. Guys, this is a brand new seasoning blend and all of the information is available on our website at savorythoughts.com. In a medium-sized pot, go ahead and heat up your oil. For this, I am using olive oil, but you can also use canola oil. Once the oil has heated up, go ahead and add your garlic and green onions. Allow it to cook for about 1 minute, 45 seconds to 1 minute. Go ahead and stir it occasionally so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Then add half of bell pepper. You can add a mixture or you can just add any color of your choice. Once you're done, go ahead and add your strained beans and continue to stir. But be sure to stir lightly because you do not want the beans to become mushy. Next, add in the liquid, then add in the Jasmine seasoning as well as salt and pepper. Go ahead and stir it lightly, then add your herbs. For this, I'm adding parsley and thyme. Cover it and allow the water to boil. Then add your washed rice. Again, mix well to combine. Go ahead and cover it lightly and reduce the heat to medium-low so that the rice can have a chance to cook properly. Once you're done, go ahead and fluff and serve. And this rice is actually wonderful with Haitian style beef stew. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the notification bell because we don't want you to miss out on any new videos. Cheers.